Hi, I'm Jennifer Mitsuko Dekoido. I am 38 years old and I'm from the Big Island of Hawaii. Ooh, a good first date could be anything, but for me, I would say a good first date would be a dinner. Not a super expensive dinner, but not a cheap dinner like Chili's or TGI Fridays. I would say a nice steakhouse on the strip, somewhere quiet where you can have conversation. And usually when I start liking the guy after their first date, I'll start playing with my hair or I'll start rattling on and make no coherent sense. Or I'll try to crack a joke and try to be funny to cut my nerves. But if I start doing this and I start talking like crazy, I probably like him a lot. I've actually had this happen. So if I think the date is not going to go well, but I don't want to necessarily say no because I feel bad, I've actually had my friend call me about 30 to 45 minutes into the date if I know it's going to be going long. And I've actually made up an excuse of I need to go home because of an emergency, or if I let the date go on, at the end of the date, I'll be like, hi, I've had a really nice time, but I just don't think it's working. A guy on a date should never automatically assume it's going to be Dutch, because I've had that happen. I've had a guy take me out on a first date and automatically assume it's going to be Dutch, and I've also taken a guy out on a first date and had them automatically assume the girl's going to pay. That's not necessarily going to happen, and that's usually the biggest thing. But on the flip side, I don't mind taking a guy out on the first date. I definitely think it doesn't have to be gender exclusive. But never be cheap. Never be cheap on the first date. Doesn't look well for you. Depends on the person. Usually no. In my earlier 20s, possibly into my early 30s, yes. But as I've gotten older and kind of seen how the world works, not so much. But I will say that that kind of happened with my boyfriend now. Depends on the person. I think for me, it was the fact of the group quote unquote date that we had was technically supposed to be our first date, but I figured that's not a first date. So I actually took my boyfriend out to our first date, and he is definitely, when it comes to food and wine and certain things and going into downtown, not as adventurous as I am, but he was a good sport. I took him on the date. We had a great time. He went into downtown. He went into a bar / nightclub with me. That's not his thing, but he went along with it. He was a good sport. He had a really good time, and he enjoyed himself. And I like that.